for testing. So, itong buong to, yung bean shape. And then, yung sa junction connecting with the spermatic cord, ito yung epididymis. So, this is the tail of the epididymis, the body, and the head. The head connects to the spermatic cord. Tapos, then sa spermatic cord, it will enter the main abdominal wall through the inguinal canal, so yung butas. So, yan o. So, nusog siya.
The outer one is the external inguinal ring. The inner is internal inguinal ring.
And then you follow it here. This is already the vas deferens. That is the ductus deferens. Ito yung spermatic nerve. And then, posteriorly, pumunta siya papunta dun sa penis. So, yung emerging So, ito yung other one. Ito. Mag-emerge sila dito. So, this is already the urethra. This one, urethra. And then this is your prostate gland. Then, connection. And then, we don't not sure, pero most probably ito yung bulbourethral gland. Kasi for the junction of the penis, so bulbourethral gland. And then it's the shaft of the penis.
Then, cut off na yung head with the prepuce.
So this is the cavernous body. And this is the cavernous face. Black.
Black.
Yun lang. Thank you.